Hello everyone. Name the quadrilateral which have both line and rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Exercise 14.3 question number 5. We know that if we take a square like this, take a square, then it has line symmetry also. This is one line symmetry. This is also one line of symmetry. And rotational symmetry of order more than 1. This is a square, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? If we take this point as P, if we rotate 90 degree, this P will come here. Again, if we rotate 90 degree, this P will come here. Again, if we rotate 90 degree, this P will come here. Right? That means there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 order of symmetry in case of square. Right? That is in case of 90 degree. This P, then this P, and again this one, and again this one. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Order of rotation is 4, and here line of symmetry is 2 in case of your T, 2, 3, 4. The diagonals also are the lines of symmetry. That is 4 lines of symmetry, right? Therefore, we can say that a square has both line and rotational symmetry, both line and rotational symmetry, and rotational symmetry of order more than 1, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.